Hey everybody, it's a brand new day, like yesterday and the day before. But today I'm going to be taking apart a DeWalt sander. Hope you enjoy. Let's get right into it. There it is. DeWalt sander. Alright, 3 screws on the top. 1, 2, 3, 4 screws on the side. And this thing, this dust bag detaches. Put that off to the side. Alright. Alright. And then 4 on the bottom. Or the side, I should say. Nope, I lied. There's 3 more. Fun fact about these pads here, they wear out pretty quickly. They're supposed to be Velcro pads that take the sanding paper on it, but they wear out pretty quickly and they become useless. So, yeah, fun fact for the day. There we go. Oh, check that out. It's really cool. Oh, there's a seal right there. I'll put that right there. Wow. This right here is what this guy was attached to. This is a fan that keeps the sawdust into that bag over here. It blows it in there, keeps it away from the motor. Looks like we got another one here. Got a washer in here. Oh, another washer. Oh, there it goes. Here it is. Here's this thing on a bearing. Here's what's cool about this, is that the motor turns this and this piece right here. Notice how there's a little bit more space on this side than there is this side. It's actually a little bit offset. So when this thing rotates, this thing is moving like this as this is rotating. So that's where you get your vibrating, spinning action there. Yeah, it's really cool. Another set of things here for blowing the dust out. All right, it should come right apart now. Actually, this piece right here needs to come off. Come on. screw on here, or let's try this screwdriver. Sometimes it just needs a little persuading. There we go. There's a washer there. That's why it was tight. All right. All right. Now it should come right apart. Oh, there we go. Get this bearing off of here. Ooh. Got some kind of a spacer piece there. Not exactly sure what that does. Look at that. Look how small that thing is. That right there is where the motor is housed. A little confused about how this comes off. Oh, there we go. Dusty. Look at that. It looks like we got a couple more screws. Again, I lied. But these were hidden, so I have an excuse. You know, maybe this doesn't come apart, this piece. Yeah, I don't think it comes apart. Yeah, so if you can see inside of here, right there, those are copper windings. On the outside, right here, that are magnetically charged, and the copper windings on the inside there are opposing the outside electromagnetic force and spinning. So really all a motor is the copper windings on the inside opposing the copper wires on the outside that are magnetically charged. Pretty interesting stuff. Well, there it is. There's a sander, there's the heart of it. And then you got all the pieces that fit together all the way down to the sander. There you go. That's it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like the video, subscribe, share it to your friends. That would be much appreciated. You guys have a great rest of your day. See you in the next video.